Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set SLA response and resolution times in BoldDesk. I'll also show you how to turn off the default SLA. Whenever a new BoldDesk account is registered, a default service level agreement, or SLA, is provided, but admins can define custom ones instead. If no custom SLA is defined, the default SLA will be applied to all tickets. An admin can deactivate the default SLA, though. This means that no SLA will be applied to tickets unless an admin explicitly specifies that one should. First, let me show you how to deactivate the default SLA. First, I sign into my BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the admin module. Then, I select SLA under the automation section to open a list of SLAs. I click on the More option next to the default SLA and select Deactivate. On the confirmation dialog box, I click Yes, Deactivate. When the default SLA is turned off, and a ticket to which it was applied undergoes an update, all other SLAs will be checked. If the other SLAs do not apply, the SLA removal will be logged in the History section of the ticket. Next, let's see how to set an SLA. On the SLA list page, I click Add SLA. I provide the name and description, but this is optional. Then, I select the operational hours and define the conditions under which the SLA must be applied. I set the response and resolution times based on their priority. You can also enable and disable the reminders and escalations and to choose whether the SLA is run based on calendar hours or business hours. I set reminders for SLA metric targets to notify the assigned agents or groups before their tickets' due dates. I also set escalation targets to send notifications to assigned agents and their supervisors about tickets that are their past due date. Then, I click Add to create the SLA. If you have multiple SLAs, the first matching SLA will apply to the ticket when the condition is met. To reorder the SLAs, use the drag and drop option. The default SLA, when active, applies to tickets that do not meet any custom SLA conditions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on BoldDesk features.